My name is and I'll be reciting a monologue by Konstantin Treplev from the play The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. You see, my mother doesn't love me. Why should she? She wants to live, to love, to laugh, to wear pretty frocks, and me. I'm 25 years old. And a perpetual reminder that she's no longer young. You know, when I'm not around, she's only 32. But when I am, she's 43 and she hates me for that. She also knows that I don't appreciate the stage. She loves the stage. She thinks she's advancing the cause of humanity and her sacred art. But I regard the stage of today as mere routine and prejudice. When the curtain goes up and the gifted beings, the high priests of the sacred art appear by electric light in a room with 3 sides to it, representing how people eat, drink, love, laugh, and wear their jackets. When they strive to squeeze a tiny moral from the flat, vulgar pictures and the flat, vulgar phrases. A tiny moral. Easy to comprehend and handy for home consumption. When in 1,000 different ways they offer me the same thing over and over and over and over again, then I take to my heels and I run. Just as Maupassant ran from the Eiffel Tower when it crushed his brain with its overwhelming vulgarity. We need a new formula. Yes, that's it. That's what we want. And if there are none, then it's better to have nothing at all. I love my mother. I love her dearly. But it's a damnful life she leads with this novelist always at her elbow and her name forever in the papers. It disgusts me. You know, sometimes it's just the egoism of the ordinary man that appeals to me. I'm sorry that I had a famous actress for a mother. And I think that if she'd been an ordinary woman, I should have been happier. What position could be more hopeless and absurd than mine was at home with her? A drawing room always filled with writers, actors, celebrities, and among them all, the only nobody, me, tolerated only because I was her son. Who am I? What am I? Sent down from the university without a degree for circumstances for which the editor cannot hold himself responsible, so they say, with no talents, without a farthing, and according to my passport, a Kiev artisan. For my father was officially reckoned a Kiev artisan, although he was a famous actor too. So that when these actors and writers graciously bestowed their attention on me, it seemed as though they were merely taking a measure of my insignificance. I guessed their thoughts and felt humiliation.